In this video, we'll use ARIMA models to explore and forecast a single time series. I'm using the steel shipments dataset that's available under the sample data directory in time series. To start, I'll go to the Analyze menu, select Modeling, and select Time Series. Here, I'll specify steel shipments as my time series and date as my time ID. Our date column needs to be sorted by time and evenly spaced. If I omit the time ID, JMP will assume equal spacing. When I click OK, JMP will produce the basic time series output. The autocorrelation and partial autocorrelation plots suggest an ARIMA model with a seasonal component of AR1 and a non-seasonal component of AR2. To request the seasonal ARIMA, I'll go to the top red triangle and pick Seasonal ARIMA. Here, I'll specify 2 for the autoregressive order of ARIMA and 1 as the autoregressive order of seasonal ARIMA. When I click Estimate, JMP will produce the model output at the bottom of our window. Here, we should diagnose the ACF, PACF, and residual plots to determine if a different model should be fit. Residuals can be shown by expanding the residual section at the bottom of the output. To fit another model, we can request another seasonal ARIMA from the topmost red triangle and specify different parameters. Here, I'll again put in 2 for the autoregressive order of ARIMA, 1 for the autoregressive order of the seasonal ARIMA, and 3 for Q, the moving average order. When I click Estimate, JMP will produce that output at the bottom of our window, and under Model Comparison, will show us overall summary statistics and fit statistics for these different models. Here, I'll expand the Model Comparison output to reveal the different statistics. On the basis of this model comparison, we can see that our new model fits better according to the criteria such as AIC and SBC. We can simultaneously fit a range of ARIMA and seasonal ARIMA models by selecting ARIMA Model Group under the red triangle. Here we can specify a range for each of the different terms in the models. Additional options are available under the topmost red triangle, including a variogram, spectral density, differencing, and lag plots. Under the red triangle, for any of our model fits, we can also save our prediction formula, create a SAS job, or submit this ARIMA model to SAS using Proc ARIMA. ARIMA models require that the time series be stationary. If the series has a trend over time, differencing will remove the trend. If the time series has a non-stationary variance, taking the log of the series may be helpful. To forecast the time series with input variables, we can use transfer functions under the red triangle, as long as we've specified those input variables when we first set up the model. For more information on time series and ARIMA models, search for ARIMA in the JMP Help or in the book Specialized Models.